A median is a segment that connects from vertex to a midpoint on a triangle. This concept can be applied to a triangle, and we can draw a median from each vertex of the triangle to the midpoint on the opposite side. So here's a vertex, vertex A, and we're going to connect to midpoint D. And D is the midpoint of the side CB. Now let's go to vertex B, and let's draw its median. We go from vertex B to midpoint F. And finally, let's go to vertex C and go from vertex C to midpoint E. Notice that all of these points are intersecting, all of these lines are intersecting at one point. We call this point the centroid. And the centroid is the balancing point of all triangles. So let's name the centroid point G. Now the medians of a triangle have a special property. The centroid to the vertex is 2/3 of the entire median. So for example, AG would equal 2/3 of the entire median AD. Let's try an example. If AD equals 12, so that's the entire median, A all the way down to D, equals 12, how much is just 2/3 of it, which is AG? Let's work this problem out. So we know that AG equals 2/3 of AD. Well, we know the length of AD is 12, so let's plug in what we know. AG equals 2/3, and AD is 12. So now we can do some simple math. We know that 2 times 12, I'm just going to multiply the top of this fraction by the top of this, because remember, 12 is really 12 over 1. So 2 times 12 is 24, divided by 3, which gives me 8. So AG equals 8.